Hey guys, my name is David Carroll, and this is my 1975 Datsun 280Z. It is a home-built car in my own garage with the help of some other friends that do fabrication and stuff like that. It is an LS3 powered T56 car with a Infinity Q45 differential. I'm running Flowmaster exhaust, all mandrel bent 3-inch, custom all the way from the headers back. And then we're running the Pro Series Mufflers. I've also integrated the QTP electric cutouts, which a lot of people tend to like. And so I'm really happy with the products. The flow is great, of course. And yeah, we're gonna go out there and run the autocross right now. So hopefully you guys enjoy.